friends, today we are going to learn shapes. So let's start. First, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Yes, 4 sides and 4 corners. Square. Fix. Great. Nice. Next, look, no side and no corner. Yes, you're right. Circle. Where is circle? Yes, great. Here it is. Fix. Good job. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. Hexagon. Yes, great. Here it is. Put in the right place. Great. Next, 1, 2, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 corners. Yes, you're right. Triangle. Great. Fix. Nice. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides and 8 corners. Yes, you are right. Octagon. Great. Octagon. Put in the right place. Great. Next, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners. Yes, you are right. Pentagon. Great. Fix. Next, no side and no corner. Yes, no side and no corner. You are right. Oval. Next. Yes, you're right. Semicircle. Where is semicircle? Yes, here it is. Great. Semicircle. Next. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. But 2 sides are equal and 2 sides are equal. 4 sides and 4 corners. Yes, you're right. Rectangle. Put in the right place. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. But these 2 sides are equal and other 2 sides are not equal. Okay? Yes, you are right. Trapezium. Fix. Great. And next?
Parallelogram.
Yes, you're right. Fix. Great. Next?
Cone.
Yes. Fix.
Great job.
Next? Yes, you're right. Heart. Great.
Hey kids, do you like heart? Wow, great.
Next. Look like flower. Great. Fix, fix, fix. Next. Star. I like star. Do you like star? Great. Yes, yes, yes. Fix, 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 fix. Look. Yes, you're right. Plus symbol. Yes, great.
Wow friend, look, we fixed all the shapes. All thanks to you.